Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Zuhair bin Zubir. My Matric number is 050805. So today for the subject of international political economy, I will discussing about the impacts of capitalism towards the environment. So for introduction, capitalism is a social economic system that involves the production of commodities. In example, commodities that are mass produced to maximize capitalism. The capitalist economic system has indeed brought extraordinary material development for human society. The wealth created today is far higher than capitalists back in old days. But however, it also brings a serious problems to our society, including the crisis of wealth gap, environmental population. So in this video, I will focusing towards the environmental pollution. Capitalism believes that natural resources are only an input to the production process, much like assumption of labor. To maximize profit, capitalists need to obtain this input at the cheapest price and fastest speed. In addition to exploiting labor, capitalists also exploit nature in order to make a short way to make money. Since natural wealth and wealth of human labor are only considered as input, capitalism also consider the input from the production process as anything that can be sold at a profit. Therefore, waste is not taken into account. Capitalism does not care how much rubbish it produces, nor does it care where the rubbish will go, because for them, only profit from the sale of the most as the most important thing. For example, a lot of excess food is thrown away from supermarkets and restaurants, and many other places in the world are short of food. Discarded food can be anywhere, such as rivers, sea, forests, and so on. Apart from food, example of waste being disposed is the disposal of toxic waste. It is a bad example of the effect of the capitalist greed. Large factory plants that actually have the ability to dispose this toxic or waste, but they prefer to choose and take a short way. They don't practice it, and they take the easy way by dumping the waste into the river or the forest. One example that can be shown is that the event that took place in Johor, Malaysia, in 2019, a toxic waste contamination from a factory resulted in water poisoning. A number of students involved and many numbers have been affected by this event. A total of 2,000, perhaps more than 2,000 have affected, and 7 are recorded as treated in the ICU, intensive care unit. The main reason for this incident is due to the pollution in the Kim Kim River. The event was called as the Kim Kim pollution. Through investigation, the truck dumping the toxic waste actually contained a very hazardous materials, and the company or the factory have take a short way to dispose it by just throw it away to the river. So as a conclusion, there are various methods and ways for us to balance between capitalism and economic needs. For example, through the eco-socialist approach, appropriate measure should be taken immediately. Such an example, provide a comprehensive retraining for affected employees and community, help farmers to shift ecological farming and maintain local grain, or try to improve the quality of life based on sustainable environmental friendly society. So That's all from me. Thank you.